We are rapidly moving into the fourth industrial era, an era where change is constant. Innovations in technology have always led to shifts in industry, work and society, but the exponential rate of change is the biggest feature of this era. In such a dynamic and complex environment, we need a new skill set to thrive.
Development in production technology have been the catalyst for change since pre-industrial times. The first industrial revolution used water and steam-powered production, the second used electrically powered production, and the third used electronics and information technology. Communication technology also evolved at a similar pace. We've moved from letter writing to the telegraph to the telephone, and to web-based communication more recently. In the fourth industrial revolution, technological developments like robotics, the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence and data science show the convergence of production and communication technologies, leading to entirely new and more integrated systems.
Industry has changed fundamentally based on these shifts in production technology. In the pre-industrial era, highly skilled artisans created things to sell locally before manufacturing shifted to factories. Further advancements led to mass production and the division of labour in factories. The third industrial era saw more automation and the rise of the service industry. We now see a convergence of products and services, leading to the merging of traditional sectors. We also see an increasing appetite for the tailoring of goods and services to the needs of customers, as well as a cyclical trend back to the local, small-scale production of the pre-industrial era enabled by technologies like 3D printing.
Before the first industrial revolution, social classes were well defined and static. Work took place in the home or the village, and craftsmen were organised into guilds. When factories were created and industrial cities grew, we started to travel to work. Social mobility increased as new jobs and professions emerged. In the second industrial era, the public and third sectors grew alongside the private sector, and with them came new labour laws and regulations. The middle class also started to grow as jobs and industries diversified and new wealth was created in the cities. Diversification continued in the third industrial era, and economic inequality increased as the gap widened between lower and higher skilled jobs. We also started to work more flexibly in and out of the office as technology improved. In the fourth industrial era, new technology will enable more remote working, leading to a truly global labour market. This could reduce the time people spend travelling to work. Linked to this is a trend for more project-based contractual work, which has the potential to improve work-life balance. At the same time, the gap between highly skilled work and low-skilled labour is increasing, as many mid-level jobs are automated and a two-tiered society is emerging.
The skills we need to succeed in work and life have evolved alongside technology, industry, work and society. In the first industrial revolution, workers with manual craft skills adapted to operating specialist machines in factories. Management skills were also required by a subset of workers. Mass production then led to de-skilling, as low-skilled workers were needed on factory conveyor belts. At the same time, there was a growing need for specialist technical skills and soft skills. In the third industrial era, IT skills became essential in most jobs, and the skills of generalists became more important. Now we need to urgently develop skills to work and live in an environment that is complex and constantly changing. We also need skills to create and exploit new technologies. If we focus on developing skills like resilience, managing complexity, entrepreneurialism, complex problem solving, creativity and manipulating technology, we will be ready and equipped to thrive in the future.